guess what we did today? I'm gonna unbox all of this with you guys. I guess just show you guys. This will be a haul video, and if you are into haul videos, fashion videos, travel vlogs, lifestyle in general, don't forget to subscribe because I do a lot of all of the above and then some, so I'd love to see you back. Also hit that like button if you like this type of content, and let's get right into this haul. So I think the best way to do this is to start with the smaller bags and then like work your way up. So the first store is Winsort that I went to, and I got this really cute top, like a little crop top, and it has like pearls as the sleeves. It is so elegant but yet sexy. The back is also so elegant and beautiful. I cannot wait to style this top. I want to try it on, but it is a little bit sheer, which brings me to the next item that I got. I always feel awkward like buying these, but so many like tops nowadays are like a little bit see-through for some reason, and it's just better to have these and be safer than sorry. This comes with 7 pairs, and there's like different types of like prints. There's like flower, regular circle gels, all that stuff, and this was $11.90 for the nude pack of pasties at Winsort, and the top was $26.90. So all in all, $42.36. Next we have Bath & Body Works. So I have like a smaller bag with like smaller goodies in here, and this was kind of a little bit of an afterthought. I picked up a car freshener, which I'm really excited for, because I've never had one of these from Bath & Body before, but like how cute is that? So basically you just attach this to your like air conditioning compartment from your car. I don't know if I'm saying that. There must be a better term for that. Anyways, wherever the air comes out in the car, the little clipper thing, there's like a clip here, you just clip it there, and then you insert like the pods, which are these. It has like little gel here, and you insert it in here, and it just smells like whatever scent. And these are scents that are based off of the Bath & Body Works candles. So I got Champagne Toast, which is one of my favorite candle scents. I also got Iced Dragon Fruit Tea, which is a newer scent that they have right now going for summer. And then I also got Endless Weekend for a grand total of $16.02. I also got this candle. I got this one wrapped because it is a part of a gift that I'm going to be giving my mom for Mother's Day, and picking up all these little knickknacks on the way. So this says Best Mom Ever. I don't know if you guys, can you see that? Best Mom Ever. This is a pink lilac and vanilla scent. It smelled so good inside of the store, and I know me and my mom have like similar taste in candles, so I'm excited to give this to her. I also picked myself up a candle. It is Driftwood Waves. It has essential oils inside of it. I love the packaging on this candle. It comes with like the glass top, and it's just like really fun and cute and very aesthetic. Those 2 candles came to a grand total of $30.47. Next, boxed lunch. I say boxed. I mainly went to the store because I had a coupon for this store, and then I ended up going to other stores in between. Anyways, this is the first thing I got. If you guys have been watching my channel for a minute, you guys know that I love to wear beanies, especially with like the cuteness on the top. And obviously pink's my favorite color, and I love Disney Princess. This beanie was meant for me. What can I say? Also from Boxed Lunch, they wrapped this like really good. Look at these beautiful earrings. They're so dainty and cute, and I love gold. It's like won't stop moving. These were in the Hello Kitty section at Boxed Lunch. I don't know if this is like a Hello Kitty character, but I love these earrings. I also got these Hello Kitty pajama pants. They're like a really nice breathable material, and I love Hello Kitty. This is what the pants look like, and I'm so excited to wear these. Dragon Ball Z figurine. I had to like meet a certain dollar amount to get the full discount, so that was kind of like a last minute add-on. The last thing that I got is this long sleeve that was actually on sale for 50% off, but it's Hello Kitty. The one elbow side and the other elbow. It's so cute. And then this is the back. It's also like such a nice soft material, along with the pants, like the pajama pants. So at Boxed Lunch, we spent a grand total of $53. Last but not least, guess. If you guys watched my room tour, you guys know I really don't need new shoes, but when I see a really good sale and I really like the shoe, I just can't resist sometimes. I don't know what it is, but all the shoes that I eventually just don't wear after a certain period of time, I always donate. You guys can also check out my donation video. In that video, I talked in depth about how often I do go through my closet and do donate new, gently used things. I never donate anything that's like something I wouldn't want to get in return. I do a whole spiel on it. I talk a lot in that video. So if you guys are interested, I'll have both of those videos linked down below in the description area. You guys can watch them after this one, but let's get into the shoes. Both shoes were on sale. The first pair looks like this. They're just regular tan brown shoes. I figured these would go with everything, and I really love the color. So cute. And again, this was on sale, so I don't know if these are gonna probably like land at your local like Marshalls, TJ Maxx, because normally when things go on sale or don't sell out, they'll end up at the other department store. All right, are you ready for the last pair of shoes? And you should take a deep breath. If you are a fellow shoe lover like me, just take a moment to appreciate. Just take a moment to appreciate how pretty these are. In my opinion, this heel size is perfect. Not too small, not too big. It is just right. It has like such a nice cushion. And I tried it on the store and I was like, these are so comfortable. Plus it's like giving Princess Jasmine vibes with the color. And then the gold accent, like I love these shoes and I cannot wait to wear them. I do have some upcoming trips, so I felt like this would be also good to add to the wardrobe. And let's see what the damage was. $64.32. I totally forgot to film a complete bag because it blended in with my carpet, but I also have this bag. And I forgot that there was like a couple of bags within this bag, so let's just ham this out really quickly. So I also went to CVS. Jouer setting spray from CVS. This stuff is so good. It is my favorite. Highly recommend. Your makeup will last all day. I also got my favorite type of press-on nails. These are the Kiss Extra Large Classy Nail. Love these ones. And last, I got the Essence Brighten Up Banana Powder for my under eyes. Love this stuff also, and it's really affordable. It works good. And that was $35. Now, there's a store that I love. It's called XI, and it has very affordable clothing that is actually really cute. So first thing that I got from there is this brown crop top that has like a zipper. Ooh, it's like kind of spicy. This is the top. I love it. And it's just like very comfortable. And then I also got this skirt. It's floor length, which is kind of my vibe lately. I've been really liking it. This skirt was only $13.90. I also got this top from XI. It's just another tank top, but it has like lace trim on it. I know it looks tiny, but it like stretches and conforms. And I got this in a size large, so. Total spent at XI was $25. For real, this is like last but not least, this is Charlotte Russe. Woo! So first thing I got is this really beautiful blue dress. This is a basic floor length bodycon dress that I got on sale for $5. So excited for this. I also picked up a Barbie t-shirt. I have an all solid black sleeveless Barbie like crop top, but this one's an actual t-shirt. It's not solid black. I don't know if you can tell, but it's like that like acid kind of cool color. I also picked up clips, and I did take one out while I was shopping because I was getting like hot, so I just like clipped my hair back, and now I can't find where I put that clip. But anyways, this is a 3-piece clip set and it was for $5. Total spent at Charlotte Russe was $18.56. So that brings us to the end. We technically went over $200, but just slightly, just a little bit. On that note, I love you guys, and I'll see you on my next one.